Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest scientific breakthroughs that can improve our health and well-being. In today's episode, we dive into an exciting study that reveals how a specific type of exercise could alleviate and even delay symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. But before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Alzheimer's disease, a progressive neurological disorder, affects millions of people worldwide, causing memory loss, cognitive decline, and changes in behavior. It is a devastating condition that not only impacts the individuals diagnosed but also their families and loved ones. Recently, an article published on ScienceAlert.com highlighted a groundbreaking study that offers hope in the fight against Alzheimer's. The study suggests that one type of exercise has the potential to alleviate and even delay the progression of the disease. The researchers found that aerobic exercise, such as brisk walking, jogging, or cycling, could have a profound impact on Alzheimer's symptoms. Aerobic exercise has long been known for its cardiovascular benefits, but this study reveals its potential cognitive benefits as well. According to the study, regular aerobic exercise promotes increased blood flow to the brain, which may help reduce the buildup of beta-amyloid plaques, a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. Beta-amyloid plaques are abnormal protein deposits that accumulate in the brain, interfering with communication between neurons. During aerobic exercise, the heart pumps more blood, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the brain. This increased blood flow helps clear away toxic substances, including beta-amyloid, while also promoting the growth of new brain cells and connections. To learn more about this groundbreaking study, we reached out to Dr. Sarah Thompson, a renowned neurologist specializing in Alzheimer's disease. Dr. Thompson, thank you for joining us. Can you explain how aerobic exercise can alleviate and delay Alzheimer's symptoms? Dr. Thompson, of course. The research suggests that aerobic exercise has multiple benefits for brain health. It not only enhances blood flow but also stimulates the release of chemicals known as growth factors. These growth factors support the survival and maintenance of existing brain cells while also promoting the development of new ones. That's fascinating. So, by engaging in regular aerobic exercise, individuals may potentially slow down the progression of Alzheimer's disease. But how much exercise is needed to see these benefits? Dr. Thompson, the study recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise per week. This could be achieved through activities such as brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any exercise regimen, especially if there are pre-existing health conditions. Great advice, Dr. Thompson. It's always essential to prioritize safety and consult with professionals. Now, let's discuss some practical tips for incorporating aerobic exercise into our daily lives. Firstly, start by setting achievable goals. Begin with shorter sessions and gradually increase the duration and intensity of your workouts. Remember, consistency is key. Secondly, find activities you enjoy. Whether it's dancing, playing a sport, or joining a fitness class, incorporating activities that bring you joy will make it easier to stick to your exercise routine. Lastly, consider exercising with a friend or joining a local fitness group. This not only adds a social element to your workouts but also provides motivation and accountability. And there you have it, folks. The power of aerobic exercise in alleviating and potentially delaying Alzheimer's symptoms. Remember, it's never too late to start prioritizing your brain health. So, put on those running shoes, grab a friend, and start moving. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. And as always, stay curious and stay healthy. See you in the next video.